Did you know that Amsterdam is an international sex tourism destination? In the Netherlands, prostitution is legal and regulated, and so is owning a bordello. 90% of the sex workers are female, about 5% are male, and approximately 5% are transgender. Around one-third are Dutch citizens, the rest are from another 44 nationalities. Amsterdam's most popular and provocative red light district, De Wallen, is infamous for its window brothels. The neighborhood consists of a maze of alleys, housing almost 300 one-room cabins. Ladies of the night rent these tiny spaces to offer their sexual services. You'll find them sitting or dancing behind a window that has red lights on, hence the name. Have in mind that blue or purple light means a transgender sex worker occupies the window brothel. In the district, you'll also find sex shops, peep shows, sex theaters, numerous coffee shops, as well as sex and cannabis museums. So, by now you might be wondering, is Amsterdam safe to visit? When you hear that drugs and sex are legal in Amsterdam, you might worry that it may be dangerous to travel to the Dutch capital. However, except for pickpockets, Amsterdam is one of the safest places to visit. In fact, at number 4, it's the highest-ranked European city in The Economist's Safe Cities report for 2019. Still, there are 2 things you mustn't do. Don't photograph in the red light districts, and don't buy or consume drugs in the streets of Amsterdam. Now, share with us. Have you already been to Amsterdam? What impressed you the most? For more travel tips and cool facts, hit the like button, and visit our website at 33traveltips.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.